Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we'll be showing you the SCT Burst. SCT has entered the throttle enhancement device market with the SCT Burst. This is a very, very nice little module. We just got our hands on one. They're brand new to the market. One thing that I noticed about the SCT Burst, and reading through it and studying on it before we got a couple in here for installs, is SCT makes the claim that this is not going to void your vehicle's warranty. I haven't seen that before in some of the other throttle devices. That was one of the first things that jumped out to me on this. But now there are going to be several different platforms that this is going to cover. In just a few part numbers. They are also working on getting EO numbers for some of these devices. So the devices that have actual EO numbers that are ready for sale in California will have a separate part number. So you guys in California, you guys are going to be able to get in on this. Now the throttle enhancement market right now has a few different players in this. I think that SCT has done a really good job with the hardware portion of this. Now we're going to be installing this on our shop 2020 Powerstroke. We'll be doing a ride along and let you know what we think about it. But as far as the hardware product goes, really impressed with the quality of this product. So let's get her opened up and let's show you what's in the box. All right, first off is the actual SCT Burst device itself. Now this is a fully waterproofed device. It is sealed very well. It has a couple of holes here where you can mount it inside of your vehicle. You can use zip ties, whatever, however you want to do it. But nice little device, very small, compact, so it's not going to be bulky underneath of your dash. Now, as far as the wiring goes, all of the wiring with the SCT Burst is going to come with OE style and OE grade connectors. I was really impressed with the wiring harnesses that comes with this. Really nice. Got wire conduit on it. There's actually a access for this if you have to get a hold of SCT's technical help. They have a diagnostic port on here. Don't know a whole lot about this, but I'll be interested to see how that integrates with being able to do diagnostics on the module itself. But again, good quality, good gauge wire in here, and OE quality and style connectors. Very nice there. Now this is a switchable device and is switchable on the fly, so you can go from 0 to 100% different throttle enhancement. It actually clicks off on this switch. When I first saw the switch, I said, man, this is a conduit, that is nice, but it's definitely something that they put some thought into. This is going to be kind of infinitely adjustable between off or stock, and then it clicks on, and then you can turn it all the way to 100% just like that. Then you can turn it off and it clicks, and you know you're back to 0 there. So that'll put you back to your stock setting. Very nice. Again, good quality wire on this switch, and it's all in conduit, so really nice job there. And then the bag comes with some zip ties, some Velcro for you to be able to mount it, everything you need right there. So we're excited about this. SCT, you know, part of the Derive family. They really hadn't been doing anything as far as modules go for a while, so they're kind of back into this market as modules as a whole, but this is their first entry into a throttle enhancement device. We're excited to try this out. Again, it's going on our 2020 6.7 Powerstroke that we have here at the shop, so we'll be trying her out. We will link you to that installation video in this video, and we'll also link you in this video to where you can go and purchase yourself an SCT Burst. Again, serves several different platforms. There's only going to be a few different part numbers on that, and there are some EO applications already out ready to go for you guys. So if you want to buy an SCT Burst, click here somewhere in the video where Jim's going to link you to. If you got any questions about it, you can give us a call. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.